Okay, guys, I'm gonna order a slime and I'm gonna be super mean to her so that I can get it for free.
Hi, how
Hi.
may I help you? Okay, this girl's like kind of throwing me off vibes, but I kind of guess like my typing's so weird. But she's throwing me off guard because no one ever says just hi. So I'm just gonna go with the usual.
Hmm. Pink and blue slime, please. Like, if she doesn't give me pink and blue, I'm never gonna pay her again. That's all I need, pink and blue, because that matches my aesthetic. Like, yeah, my beautiful colors. I love those colors. Like, and I want them clear. Like, they need to be clear, or I am not paying at all. Like, right now. I need them to be right now.
Okay, she's really rude, but geez. Okay, like that's all I'm gonna say. So she wants a pink slime, so I'm gonna do a clear pink slime as she asked, and I'm gonna add unicorns to it because I just want to. Like, I think it's gonna ruin the slime, and that's what I want to ruin the slime. She's being super, super duper mean to me. Like, I didn't do nothing to her. So, so that's what I'm gonna do because that's just what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna add just a normal pink. I should add salmon. I think that's what it's called. So here it is. It looks good, but we're gonna ruin it with some unicorns. Not ruin it. It still looks good, but she might not like it. Okay. Now some bananas. No, no bananas. Okay. There you go. Stupid ass. I swear to God, they always gotta ruin the time. She's probably already like out of patience. So now I'm just gonna send a little gift. All I need to do is copy the link. How do I do this again? No, it's not this way. I know it's not this way. Um, it's definitely not this way. No, it's not this way at all. Okay, so I'm gonna like, what am I doing? Like, I don't know how to copy the link. I did it before. Let's do the send gift. We're just gonna do the normal. Okay, I guess it's kind of giving, not really. So I'm just gonna go here. There it is, copy. Copy right there. Okay, let me press on it. It says copy. So good. Now I need to figure out how to exit. Here you go. Where's the exit? Okay, where is it? Where am I? Oh, found it. Okay. So since I found it, stupid ads. Okay. Now we're gonna mess up a slime. We're gonna do the blue Milky because it's not what she ordered, but it's what we're gonna give her. You know, you still gotta be thankful that you're even getting slime. And yeah, so let's do it. Okay, added the lotion, activated it. Let's do this thing. I'm so happy I get to ruin it. We're gonna go with baby blue because she was being really rude, and baby blue is a good color, but she didn't order baby blue. That's the point. So now we're gonna add some foam beads. It kind of makes the slime look good. So we're gonna go back, and we're not gonna add anything to it because I want to be rude.
My name is Christina Kubian.
Still looks kind of good,
Design engineer
but I guess.
CEO of Divinity Interior.
So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Now I'm so rich on here. So now I'm just gonna send it to her. I kind of know how to do that. So we're just gonna do the classic, whatever. Copy the link. I know how to do that. Exit. Go back. Now I'm gonna send her it, and I'm gonna say, "It's what you get for blue." I think that, yeah, it's what you get for blue. That's what I'm gonna send her. Something like that. Yeah. It's what you get for being rude. For being rude, or oh no, it's what you get for blue. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna put instead. So evil.
I hate it. Hate you instead. Why would she do that to my slime? Like, I worked so hard.